Are you a teacher or perhaps a parent and you're looking for that one thing that's going to make lesson planning easier, activities go smoother, just make life a little bit easier, your load a little lighter? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you guys this amazing resource that I feel like every teacher, every homeschooling educator needs to know about. Well, my name is Brianna. I want to welcome you to the Brown Bear Book Club. We are all about sharing and creating resources just for you. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button if you enjoy content like this. So have you guys heard about Creative Fabrica? Creative Fabrica is on a mission. Part of their mission is this Teachers Club card. What is that? It's basically a platform on their website that has over 10,000 lesson plans, Montessori activities, all types of activities, hands-on from pre-K all the way to high school age children, all these resources for only $2.99 a year. A year. I am not kidding. I thought really $2.99 a year, but you get 5 downloads a week and basically free because $2.99, wow. 5 downloads a week and 260 downloads out of the whole year. And then on top of that, all of the, when we pay our $2.99, all of that goes back to teachers who created those resources. But you know what? The best part is you can cancel at any time. So if you're like, I don't want to pay $2.99, you don't have to. You can go ahead and cancel it at any time. So it's totally awesome, guys. It's pretty much a freebie, pretty much. But let me know in the comments below, have you ever heard of Creative Fabrica? And what do you think about it? What do you really think about this? And do you feel like it's a tool that we all need? I feel like it's a tool that we all need. But let's talk about it in the chat below. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.